Imagine a world where reality intertwines with the virtual, creating a mesmerizing symphony of experiences. That's the world Apple hoped to create with its Vision Pro, the revolutionary mixed reality headset that's been making waves since its release. Hype is an understatement when it comes to the Vision Pro. Pre-orders sold out in the blink of an eye, and within its first wave, Apple managed to sell around 200,000 units. The Vision Pro's launch has undoubtedly sent ripples across the tech world, but what is the user verdict? Initial reviews have been a mixed bag of awe and critique. While the device offers vivid and stunning visuals that transport you into a different realm, there are some drawbacks. Extended use can lead to discomfort, and the field of view is notably smaller compared to competitors. But it's not all about the visuals. The sound quality is top-notch, albeit with some leakage, and the experience of watching movies on the device has garnered positive feedback. However, the Vision Pro's eyesight feature, which showcases digital versions of eyes and avatars, has stirred the pot. Some users have found it to be a peculiar addition, with reactions ranging from goofy to outright bad. It seems the jury is still out on this unique feature. The Vision Pro also introduced a virtual keyboard, but unfortunately, it didn't hit the mark. On the flip side, the device's multitasking capabilities and seamless input experience have been lauded, showcasing Apple's commitment to a user-friendly interface. Running on the Vision OS operating system and powered by the M2 computer processor, the Vision Pro has set a new standard for immersive virtual environments and augmented reality features. But with all its tech prowess, the question of potential isolation when using the device has been raised. Despite its drawbacks, the Vision Pro has been hailed as the best mixed reality headset, surpassing its competition. However, it's worth noting that even the best of tech can't replicate the wonders of the real world. In summary, the Vision Pro is a bold step into the future of mixed reality, offering a unique blend of virtual and augmented reality that's been both praised and critiqued. From its stunning visuals and sound to its contentious eyesight feature and discomfort with extended use, the Vision Pro has shown us a glimpse of the future, warts and all. But as with all things tech, the journey is just as important as the destination. And with the Vision Pro, it's clear that Apple is charting a course towards an exciting horizon.